Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Chocolate Croissant. So, I got this here, and it's their, I guess it's a croissant just filled with chocolate. It was previously heated up, but I let it cool down by accident. And the chocolate croissant, I believe it has like 300 and some calories for one of these. And this looks really good. I like croissants, so I want to get right into it. Chocolate's good. Should have had this heated up. It's pretty good. Tastes like a buttered croissant with a bit of chocolate on the inside. It's pretty good, honestly. Definitely warm this thing up. Pretty good though. It's like croissant hollowed out with chocolate inside. Really cool. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. Chocolate's great. So the chocolate on this is really nice. Croissants usually have like a buttery kind of taste to it, and you got the same thing going on with this one. Like it tastes like it was a buttered croissant, and then the chocolate on the inside is just melted and so good. So yeah, I like this one. It's pretty flavorful. I like croissants, so that's kind of why I like this. I obviously love chocolate, so nice combination here. I'd give the Starbucks Chocolate Croissant a 7.5 out of 10. Good flavor on it. Croissant's nice, filled with chocolate. No complaints here. It's a good combination right there. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.